Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you today's dark pool whisper for May 31st, 2019. So yesterday I warned you that we could have a tight day after we've had two really big movements, and we did. You can see we retraced back to the 4. We had a doji, and today moving down once again. What I like to bring to your attention are these levels right here on the SPY. These are all recent dark pool massive levels that we've had over the past couple of months. If you recall, if you were with me watching my whispers, we had all these big levels in March, right? And I was looking for a close below 278.54. That was really the key level. But we moved higher and the dark pool sold higher up, and now we move below. So yeah, below these levels is bearish. So watch that 278.54, very key level. And of course, if we do get new levels that come in, I will definitely bring them to your attention. We have not had anything big. Big guys sold in March and the end of April, and now they're just coasting it down. I'll let you know when they start buying. So today's levels that we're gonna watch, bullish above 277.50, and look how funny, we just spiked up there, right? And that's a really key level. We're gonna be bearish below 275.70. This is a huge moving average. It's 120 simple moving average. So it's a magnet and a rubber band. So I expect that the SPY will be attracted to it. And then of course, we'll see some buying coming in. Most likely, if not, look out below. There's nothing. 272, I believe, is a fib level. Yeah, so watch that if we do go below that. So let's go to the Russell. Bullish above 146.25. These are retracement trades back to resistance. Okay, that's what that means when I put retracement. Bearish below 145.50. And the QQQs, bullish above 175.20. That's a retracement trade. And bearish below 174. Now, a lot of my traders in my room did put on strangles last night. When you put a strangle on, you're buying calls out of the money, puts out of the money, and they really work out well as long as we have a big move overnight, which you can see has happened. So if you'd like to learn more about that strategy, we could definitely teach you that. So let's go to GDX. Gold. We're finally getting the move. I know patience paying off. But we're moving, you guys. Yep, the big guys bought, and we are moving higher. As long as we stay above, I just want to show you IAU. As long as we stay above 12.12, right, that's really key. I was only bearish below that level. However, just keep in mind, 12.55 is an old dark pool level for IAU. So we could hit there if we do go above that. Uber bullish. I don't trade IAU, it's really slow. I do trade GDX, and I'm in JNUG. So GDX, bullish above 21.20. Let me just draw this trend line here. Yeah, we do have some upper resistance here at about 21.37. Okay, keep that in mind. That's why my first target is 21.37. 21.50 would be my second target. The gold futures are ripping. Hold on a minute, let me just show you those. 1300 is such a key level, and this is the second test. I have a next resistance at about 1308 area, so we'll watch that. But that 1300, if we could stay above that and not up thrust. Up thrusting is when they sell and we have that big wick at the top. Yeah, as long as we can have a strong candle. It's Friday. Actually, let me show you something while I got you here. Let me just go to the weekly. Okay, this is so key. You can see we've had this rounded bottom. This is a weekly chart of gold futures. And as long as we don't have one of these wicks, you see this? Yeah, that's not what we want to see today. If we do, they're selling at the end of the day. But if we do remain strong, I can definitely see a movement up to about this 1320, 1330 area. Just watch 1308. That's been a little bit of resistance in the past. And of course, let's just check out the dollar. Yeah, you can see the dollar selling at the top here. Yep. So the dollar selling has been bullish for gold. Not always, but it usually does work that way. So, all right, let's move on. We have Uber. Go figure. The only green stock on the board today is Uber. Had earnings. We're going to be bullish above 40.62 and bearish below 39.75 for Uber. Apple. Let's check out Apple today. Yeah, a lot of pre-market price action. 175 key level, bearish below that. Bullish above 176 for retracement. Bank of America below massive dark pool prints right now. Only be bullish above 27.25 for retracement trade. Bearish below 26.50. Gap stores had earnings. Nobody's shopping at the Gap anymore. I know I haven't shopped there since the 80s. But let's look at the price action, right? Are we going to retrace? This could be a trend trade. Watch that 15 exponential moving average on a 5-minute chart. You see this green line I have? After the first 15 minutes, if Gap stores can close above that on a 5-minute, we usually have a drop and pop scenario, but I'm going to give you levels as well to watch. I'm going to be bullish above 18. I looked on the book this morning. And let's see. Actually, there's a seller that just came in at 18.20. So I would make that my first target if we do break above 18. Yeah, just watch and see if that seller is still there. There's a seller at 18.50. See that? Yep, 18.75. That would be a retracement trade. However, bearish below 17. Don't try to bottom fish this again. That's just a retracement. TLT bonds. We've been long bonds for a long, long time. We had massive, massive prints that came in weeks ago across the entire bonds sector. I did call that out. We've been rolling our options up and up and up, not trying to peg the top on this one. But if you're not in, watch 130, 150, 129.50, bearish below just for a retracement trade. But this could be a gap and go scenario. So there you have it. Those are your whispers. Have a wonderful weekend. Until next time, happy trading. That's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.